Everything you were taught about nutrition is probably wrong. Today I'm breaking down 10 nutrition myths that are keeping you stuck and what the science actually says. Myth number 1. Eating fat makes you fat. This is the foundation of the low-fat diet craze that dominated nutrition advice from the 1980s through the 2000s. Food companies replaced fat with sugar to keep things tasting good, and obesity rates skyrocketed during this exact period. The reality is that dietary fat is essential for hormone production, nutrient absorption, and brain function. Studies consistently show that moderate fat diets with healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, and nuts are associated with better health outcomes than low-fat diets. The Mediterranean diet, which is relatively high in fat, is one of the most researched and beneficial eating patterns ever studied. Myth number 2. You need to eat every 2 to 3 hours to keep your metabolism running. This one has no scientific support whatsoever. Your metabolic rate is determined by your body composition, activity level, and genetics, not by meal timing or frequency. In fact, research on intermittent fasting shows that going longer periods without eating has no negative effect on metabolism and may actually have benefits for insulin sensitivity and cellular repair. Eat when you're hungry, not because the clock says you should. Myth number 3. Carbs are the enemy. The keto movement convinced a lot of people that all carbohydrates are bad, but carbohydrates are just a category of foods, and the category includes everything from donuts to broccoli to oatmeal. They are not remotely the same. The populations with the longest lifespans in the world, the blue zones, all eat carbohydrate-rich diets. They eat beans, whole grains, and starchy vegetables daily. What they don't eat are processed carbohydrates with added sugars. The type and quality of carbs matters far more than the total amount. Here's where things get interesting. The next few myths are ones that even many health-conscious people still believe. Myth number 4. Eating late at night causes weight gain. Your body doesn't know what time it is when you eat. A calorie consumed at 8 p.m. is processed the same as a calorie consumed at 8 a.m. What matters is what and how much you eat over the course of the day and week. The reason night eating is associated with weight gain is behavioral, not metabolic. People who snack late at night tend to eat mindlessly while watching TV. They choose high-calorie comfort foods. They're often eating because they're bored or stressed, not hungry. The timing isn't the problem. The behavior is. Myth number 5. You need to detox regularly. Your liver and kidneys are detoxing you 24 hours a day. That's literally their job. There is no scientific evidence that juice cleanses, detox teas, or any commercial detox product does anything your organs aren't already doing better. What these detox programs actually do is restrict calories severely for a few days. Any weight you lose is water and glycogen, not fat. It comes back the moment you eat normally again. Save your money and just eat more vegetables. Myth number 6. All calories are equal. This one is technically true from a physics standpoint, but completely misleading from a nutrition standpoint. Yes, a calorie is a unit of energy, but 200 calories of salmon and 200 calories of soda affect your body in dramatically different ways. Protein requires more energy to digest than carbs or fat. Fiber slows absorption and feeds beneficial gut bacteria. Processed foods bypass your satiety signals and encourage overeating. The type of calorie determines how hungry you'll be later, how much energy you'll have, and how your body stores or burns the energy. Myth number 7. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. This slogan was literally invented by a cereal company. There is no scientific requirement to eat within any particular time after waking up. Many people do very well skipping breakfast entirely. The studies that showed breakfast eaters were healthier had a major flaw. They compared people who ate breakfast to people who skipped it. But the breakfast skippers also tended to have worse overall lifestyles. When you control for those factors, breakfast timing has no independent effect on health or weight. Myth number 8. Supplements can replace a healthy diet. Americans spend over $50 billion a year on supplements, but there's little evidence most of them do anything. With a few exceptions like vitamin D in some populations, getting nutrients from food is more effective than pills. Foods contain nutrients in combinations and forms that work synergistically. An orange provides vitamin C along with fiber and dozens of other compounds that enhance absorption and utilization. A vitamin C pill is just isolated ascorbic acid. Your body knows the difference. Myth number 9. Going vegetarian or vegan automatically means healthier eating. A plant-based diet can be extremely healthy. It can also be terrible. French fries are vegetarian. Oreos are vegan. A diet of processed plant foods is no better than a diet of processed animal foods. What matters is whether you're eating whole foods or processed foods, not whether those foods came from plants or animals. A whole food plant-based diet is one of the healthiest patterns you can follow. A processed vegan junk food diet is not. Myth number 10. Exercise can compensate for a bad diet. You cannot out-exercise a bad diet. Running for an hour burns roughly 600 calories. That's one large fast food meal. The math simply does not work in favor of eating whatever you want and exercising it off. Exercise is essential for health, muscle mass, cardiovascular function, mental health, and longevity. But for weight management, what you eat is far more important than how much you exercise. Studies consistently show that diet changes produce more weight loss than exercise changes. So, what actually works? It's simpler than the diet industry wants you to believe. Eat mostly whole foods. Get enough protein, include plenty of vegetables, move your body regularly, sleep well, manage stress. That's it. There's no secret hack, no magic supplement, no perfect diet. Just consistent, boring basics done over time. The myths exist because they're profitable. The truth is free.